The BRIC Traversal server is a service provided by Comrex to access users, to allow them to more easily allow their devices to connect, especially when behind firewalls or network address translators. The use of the server is free, but you'll need to purchase a license unlock code for each of the devices that you'll want to be a part of your Traversal server group. Comrex will also provide you with a username and password with which to access the server. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to do that. First of all, we'll open up a web browser and we'll go to ts.comrex.com. This is where you'll enter your username and password. And access your account. For every device that you've applied a license unlock to, you'll need to take the MAC address of that device and add it to your account. And you do that by clicking on the Add New Unit button. And this is where you'll apply your MAC address. The MAC address can be found on your codec by going to Network, Manage Networks, and Configure. And this is where you'll find your MAC address. So you just type it into the MAC ID box and click Add Unit. Once you've added all of the devices that you want to be in your BRIC Traversal server group, you'll log out. The next thing you'll need to do is configure each access codec to look at the BRIC Traversal server. Simply go to the Configure menu, System Settings, go down to Traversal Server Settings, and then enable the Traversal server. Once you've done that, as soon as the device is connected to the internet, it will look out at the Traversal server, and it'll update the Traversal server with its public IP address, its current connection status, current version of firmware, and other useful information. That information is then rebroadcast by the Traversal server to every other codec in the group. And what you'll see is an icon indicating the status of every other device in your group. To connect to that device, simply select and connect, and the BRIC Traversal server makes your connection just that easy.